Oh yes, it's that sound again. That's right, it's Stitch Along Time with our friends over at Joann.com. I'm your host Mikey of the Crochet Crowd. We have a brand new Afghan that we're going to work on together this spring. Hey, do you have a green thumb? No. Okay, let's stick with the yarn and let's have some fun and create our own spring garden. What we're going to do this time around is that we're going to complete some flat squares, and then we're going to have another type of textured square and then another type of textured square to take us through 5 weeks of this mystery. Joann has just launched some new color shades called the Calico collection, featuring these beautiful shades and more. So you may want to get your hands on those just in time for the stitch along, because I'm just saying the final sample looks incredible. There's 3 types of squares, and this particular blanket is made up of granny squares that are 7 by 9. So you can come up with a really cool combination to make your Afghan just go pop. Now, she's suggesting either 4 balls of Caron 1 pound yarn that you see, or 3 balls of Caron 1 pound yarn, and then 1 ball of Caron jumbo, and you'll see how that will work together. But I don't want you to get trapped into the colors, because there's so many amazing colors with Caron 1 pound. You can literally just crochet the rainbow in the form of your flower bed this year. So if this sounds good for you, it's good for me. So let's get along and let's work together as a community. Let's post our stuff on Facebook, and don't forget to use your hashtags of Handmade with Joann when doing social updates on Instagram and Facebook. So let's get started, and I'll see you over on week number 1.